Hi guys, it's Aiden1099 again. Welcome to Arsenal in Roblox. So I'm gonna pick the blue teeth and try to get wins, kills. Oh, okay. Make sure that subscribe button is gray, not red. If it's red, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Sorry. Just in case you didn't know, this is Roblox, and yeah. And please comment down about your favorite part of the video, and please tell me more future ideas, and yeah, and hit the notification button too. Right now I have 5 kills. I'm on the leaderboard. Okay. Shark boy killed me. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Reload a gun and jump. I don't like this gun, to be honest, kind of. Oh, okay, buddy, let's kill him. Oh god. What the? Does Chris guys keep killing me? Okay, let's just crouch then. There we go. Let's boom. Oh shoot. Make sure again to hit that subscribe button and make it gray, not red, please. And just to verify, this is my second video, and I'm sorry that I didn't get to you guys really fast because a lot has been going on, you know. Oh, I was on strike 2, or streak 2, sorry. Oh shoot. This is kind of, I don't know. Okay. Let's keep going and then, yeah. Okay. Oh, danger boy. I'm sorry that the volume of this video in my computer is not working. There was some technical difficulties, sorry. I don't know why, but yeah, guys, sorry. And make sure to tell me what should I buy, and maybe I should buy some cases. I don't know. Let's just camp them right. Oh, never mind. Let's not camp them. He's on fire. He's on fire. He's on fire. I think I might got the assist. No, I didn't. Okay. Let's just hide here and shoot them. Oh, they're trying to camp. Okay. Let's try to kill them from here or there. Let's see. Boom. Okay. They gotta be here. Boom. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's try to get higher in the leaderboard. Okay. Right now I'm 7 kills. I want to get higher. Boom. Should we snipe them here? I think we should. Ooh. Oh gosh. Oh god. No, no. Okay. Make sure to hit like other YouTubers. I know sometimes it gets annoying, but please press that notification button if you want to see more videos and be in my live streams or my premiums or whatever those are. Okay. And if you put at least 100 likes in this video, I would troll some of my friends, and it'll be fun in Minecraft or in Roblox. Or just comment down below what you think I should troll in. And yeah, let's do. I did. Also, I don't know why, but let's do it. And if you didn't know, like, it looks like I'm a noob, but I'm actually just started, like, maybe 2 months ago, 1 month ago. But I didn't play that much, but this is for you guys, and yeah. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm distressed. What the? Oh, I'm second place right now, so. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm behind now. Lol. Oh gosh. Wow. Oh, that's a pretty sick skin. Okay, let's just keep going on. Just keep going on. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm such a noob. Oh no, okay. Boom. Oh. Okay, let's keep going. Even though I'm really bad. Oh gosh. Okay. Invisible. What's that? Oh. Okay, guys. We're almost done with this round, and yeah. Oh gosh. What the? It's like he's actually a hacker to me, but he's not. Oh, I died. Okay. This guy has 31. But let's keep trying. So where did he go? I'm so bad. Literally. So that's it for today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, have a nice day.